Inhale center. Exhale, turn on the left side. Slowly, gently. Inhale center. Exhale on the right side. Inhale center and exhale on your left side. Inhale center. Exhale, drop your head on the right shoulder. Inhale center. Exhale, drop your head on the left shoulder. Inhale center. Exhale again on your right shoulder. Inhale center and exhale on your left shoulder. Inhale center and exhale, then relax. Everyone, just try to move your shoulder. Just give a rotation. Inhale, you can be lift up. Exhale can be down. Inhale, shoulder towards the ear, and exhale away from the ear. Just few repetitions more. Inhale and exhale down. Inhale and exhale, then down. Opposite side, anti-clockwise. Inhale and then exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale and exhale down. Once more. Inhale and exhale, then down. Open arms your shoulder level. Everyone, simply just flex your both palm. बस वहीं पर stay कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, and then just try to be inside. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Very good. Place your both arms just the front side. Good. And then just try to be again the one palm, you can be take it and just give a very little and the gentle stretch inside. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, and just same like the flexion. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Change your arm first just like the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, and just try to be little flex it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Relax your both hands. Open arms the shoulder level. Both arms up. Inhale. Little stretch your arms and just look up. Exhale. Bring your both arms down. Again, both arms up. Finger lock. Palm facing upside. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine. Just can be give the hold from 1 to 6 count or even 1 to 10 counts. 1, 5, 7 and 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, just relax. दोनों हाथ पीछे, both hands behind your hip. But from the normal routine, थोड़ा सा और पीछे आप ले जाइए. You can put your hands a bit behind. Good. Normal routine, just keep the spine, but in case में you can be little put hands behind. But same thing, try to lifting the spine, give the opening in the shoulder and then look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back and then just relax everyone. Again, open arms your shoulder level. Hands up. Inhale. Finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine and just look up. 1, breathing normal and continuous. 3, 5, 9 and then 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax. Drop your left elbow on the left knee and then your right hand straight, even here, even here, even here or even here. 1, breathing normal. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Drop your right elbow, right knee, and then your left arm straight over the head. Even here or even here, that will be depend on the different body type. 1, 2, स्पाइन को कोशिश करना थोड़ा सा पीछे की तरफ पुश करने के लिए, बिल्कुल आगे नहीं जाना. डू नॉट नीड टू बी लीन योर बॉडी टू द फ्रंट साइड, लिटिल पुश, लिटिल बैकवर्ड साइड. 7 and then 10. Come back, inhale, and now your left hand, right arm straight over the head, even here or even here. 1, 2, 3, 9 and 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, same another side, left arm straight, even any position or any level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and then 10. Come back everyone, and then I'm sorry, drop your left elbow and then right arm straight over the head, even here or even here. 1, 7, 9 and then 10. Back. Inhale, exhale, on the right side, drop the right elbow. Options, modifications you know already, can give the block or can give the pillow. कोई भी एक प्रैक्टिस आप दे सकते हैं उसमें. 3, 5, 9 and then 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax. I'm just doing the counting a bit fast so that when you teach, you no need to be do counting same like me. And position also you can be used 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, is all up to you. आप उसी routine से you can be design your class. So arms just your front side. Inhale, open your arms open कीजिए, and same thing, spine little lift and just little bit look up. Come back, inhale and exhale, just a little squeeze. One more time. Inhale, open arms, exhale, just look up. Inhale, come back, exhale, हाथ बिल्कुल सामने, but no need to be sink and no need to be squeeze so much, just a little only. Normal routine we are sinking the spine, but here only just keep the arm straight, that's it. And then relax your both hands. Put your hands behind your hip. Again, inhale, lift the spine, open shoulder and just look up once again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay, come back, inhale and exhale, then relax. Keep your both legs straight. जब आप until this level you will be teach, so easily you can be create your class until 30-40 minutes. अभी तो हमने जल्दी जल्दी किया, we did a little fast routine, but when you make the sequence whatever we did until now, so उसी को आप 30-40 minutes तक आप उसको ले सकते हैं. You can be even stretch up to 40-45 minutes. Relax your legs, move your legs, little push the spine like here. Move your knees up and down. There should be gap in between your legs. Gap रहना चाहिए. Now toes facing point and then just flex your feet. Toes facing point and then just flex your feet. Once again, toes facing point and then flex your feet. Rotation, ankle rotation. Good. Anti-clockwise. And just relax it. So what we did until now, that is just especially for the first level, that is totally very basic. Now just we will practice the same which we did in the butterfly yesterday. Bend the legs, keep your feet together like here. Good. हाथ आप पीछे रख सकते हैं like that. Depends on the different body type. According to that you can be maintain it, you can be manage it. Yes, according to that, just be here. So when you are teaching, so let your student already prepare the pillow and the blocks, or even can be give the wheel, which we give that the practice yesterday and let them be stay there for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. That is enough for them. And then just try to be come back. Legs open once again. So depends on particular conditions. If very much difficult conditions, they are not able to keep the leg straight, so let them give some kind of the towel or sorry, some block or some kind of the pillow, and then simply just can be the bend forward like here. Simple way. So have to be also see that belly is compressed or not. So that's why the gap should be there. वो gap रहना चाहिए legs के बीच में. Something like here. You can be let them relax, go back, and then you can be give some few repetitions in that. Okay, done. And then come in the cat pose. एक बार just we will go with the one revision. So your knee apart from each other. You all knows how to measure the gap in between your both arms, like with the shoulder, and then you have to be maintain it. And another easy way, like you can be seen your arms and the knee just align. The same which I explained in the downward dog. आप cat के अंदर भी during the cat and cow pose you can also measure the same technique. वो और ज्यादा थोड़ा सा easy हो जाएगा आपके लिए. Okay, inhale, slightly push the hip out, shoulder away from the ear. Exhale, very gentle, not too much, just a little look down. One time more, inhale, push the hip out gently and just look front. Exhale, then squeeze and just look down. Very nice. So now we change the practice. We just repeat your left leg up, hip square, guys. About the position, if someone having the wrist pain, so they can fold the mat and they can be used that. Practice you can be give just only here. Do not give so much squeezeness inside. Just leg here and only simple here. That's it. One more time. Inhale, leg back. And exhale just only here. Very good. Relax. Right leg only 2 times. Inhale, put your right leg back. Exhale, just little bend the leg. You can give a little around the upper back. Inhale, put your right leg back. After a few movements, always start the practice with the movement, and after few movement you can give the same practice with the holding. जैसे कि आपने in the beginning you give 3 times, 4 times, 5 times movement, and after the same movement let them stay in the pose. So that become the pose. Let them stay, because movement can create the flexibility, and when they're holding the posture, it can increase the strength. Okay, so now we change again. Leg up, your left leg up, and then gently the right hand up. So this is also the one way. Initially might be some student they are not able to lift the hand, so unko aap is tarah se practice you can be give them. Just right hand a little lean front, they can be practice here. Even practice can be leg down, hand here, or even can practice leg up, hand here. After they feel comfortable, they can be lift the hand up and then up more. उसको भी आप इसी same चीज को, same thing you can be even modify with some more ways. You are finding that some students they're still finding the challenge, so you can also give them the practice like here. So being a teacher, we should have different modifications in our hand. One hand practice need enough strength for the arms, shoulder, and of course from the hip side. So these are the some way only which you can be created like this one. And then without the block they can be practice even here. So this thing you can be create. You can give them the movement for 2-3 times and then let them the hold. So same another side, your right leg back, left hand can be practiced simple leg up, down, leg up, and then down. And then the practice can be leg up, hand down, and then hand up. And then can be practice, can be hold the position with the support of the block or without the block. अभी देखो एक ही चीज को, द वन थिंग यू कैन बी, अभी फॉर द लास्ट 2 times we are still working on that. We are finding more and more new ways and the new technique to give them, because sometimes it's become a challenge for when you have different level of the students in your class. Okay, we done. Now we go the next. Again, your right leg. अब राइट लेग को बाहर की तरफ निकालिए. जस्ट स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3, स्टेप 4, स्टेप 5, स्टेप 6, स्टेप 7, स्टेप 8. even step 8 or even step 1, step 2, or even directly can be step 1. So this is also depend on you ki how you will create and you will generate the steps. Got it? So practice this one can be here 1, 2, 3, 4, and naturally when you're putting the right leg, so automatically the weight start coming on the left hand. So thoda sa body weight you just try to distribute on your right hand too. आप देखेंगे when you're coming, body weight is going on the left side, but once you come, तो थोड़ा सा little bit you have to give awareness to come on the right. So this is the one practice, and after again leg up, and then again step 1, then step 2, then step 3, then step 4, then step 5, then can be let them the whole. So each and every step here I am just giving the movement, but when you are giving the practice, each and every practice let them stay, because when they will kick the leg, when they will lift the leg, it will be a bit more challenging. आप खुद करके देख लीजिए. when they lift the leg, when they're doing side, so body will lean on the opposite side. इस तरह से body lean आपका करेगा. like I am lifting my right leg side, so my body is going on the left side. It's naturally will be happen. So better उनको step के साथ लेके जाइए उनको आप. Step can be little smaller, then can be give them. So ये practice धीरे धीरे ही when give the practice, slowly the strength will be built up in that. Got it? So this practice can be, and after that the same practice when you are finding that your student is getting the enough strength, so इसी practice को, same practice you can be again modify. How you will be modify? The practice here, and then you can be give the movement on this level. So first you have to be let them prepare to reach on this level. Second, you have to let them prepare with the lift the leg. Then you have to let them prepare to reach on this level. Then the third step, when you're finding the strength increasing, then, but remember, not for everyone. Once then they can be go with the leg a little bit up and down. You can be give that movement 2 or 3. So this is much helpful to build up the strength in their legs and the hip side. So this is the practice. Okay, let's go with the right side. One time we will be cover all practice. So same your left leg. So first just take the step like here, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. So each and every step you have to give them the holding. यहाँ तो हम एक बारी में कर रहे हैं. Here we are doing all the things at a one time, but you have to give them the practice. Step 1 पर hold करवाइए, 2 पर, then 3 पर, then 4 पर. Then we change, lift the leg, and then again the same practice. Here step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can be create your own step, and then can be relaxed. And after with any movement or after any practice, so you can be give them the rest also. Here हम यहाँ पर थोड़ा continuous चल रहे हैं. This is just कि थोड़ा सा हमारा revision हो जाए with date, तो उस चीज को आप अच्छे तरीके से उसको आप implement कर सके, so that you can implement easily. So now we come back the another one. This time we take the right leg on the right side. Now we take the right leg on the left side. So this is the step 1. Everyone just do with me. मेरे साथ कीजिए सभी. Right leg you have to be cross and turn on the left side. So this we will be combined with the cat and cow twist. So this is the practice 1. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. The practice 2, you try to drop your right heel and then put the right hand on the waist. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, and then your right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Or isko you can be change here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, and then relax. वापस आइए. You can be give them the relaxation sitting in the Vajrasana, and now the same. Now the left leg. and left leg just little cross first. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Drop your left heel and then left hand on the waist. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then left hand up. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now left hand straight over the head. 1 2 3 4 5, and then 6. Okay guys, done. And then relax, वापिस आ जाइए. Come back everyone. So this is the practice which we all modify. And all the practices, if you are finding some students might be they are finding some problem with the wrist and the shoulder, so whatever the modification we did, so all modification आप सारी practice को drop elbow से आप combined कर सकते. Whatever we did, even the cat and cow we did, even the leg up we did, leg sidewise we did, and then we did little bit, we did like the twist we did, so you can be combined with that. So this practice you have to give only to those student if someone, because usually this time it can be happen थोड़ा joint का थोड़ा सा problem हो जाता है कभी कभी. Joint can be painful, maybe the wrist can be painful, forearm can be painful, shoulder can be painful, so you can be give this practice. और इसी practice को थोड़ा सा you can be change a bit, like you can be little bit change the practice, drop elbow के साथ आप you can be give them the practice with the block, because it is also depend. देखिए कि whatever the practice and the technique we are giving, that will be totally depend on student. Maybe some of you have a question कि sir we are giving the practice, okay, we are giving the practice drop elbow, but what happened if they have the big belly, their belly will touching the ground, or it can be give a compression to the belly. It can be happen, it can be the one reason, हो सकता है ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So उस case में if this thing happen and they have the wrist pain, they cannot keep the arm straight, practice भी करवाना उनको, ये भी करवाना, so what? So in this case you have, okay, you can be use the another modification. In that case give them the practice on the block. So block के साथ क्या होगा, what will be happen when you are giving the practice with the block, they are getting enough height. अब यहाँ पर भी लगे कि no, belly is still big and belly is still touching it, पता नहीं कितना बड़ा बेबी होगा. तो उस केस में यू कैन बी गिव देम प्रैक्टिस टू ब्लॉक के साथ आप उनको दे सकते हैं इस तरीके से. ओके, नाउ दे कैन बी प्रैक्टिस. सो इन दिस वे देयर रिस्ट विल बी रिलीज, देयर विल बी नो प्रेशर एंड द नो स्ट्रेच विल बी कम ऑन द रिस्ट, एंड शोल्डर के ऊपर भी उस लेवल का प्रेशर नहीं आएगा. सो दिस थिंग यू कैन बी गिव देम इवन द टू, और यू आर फाइंडिंग मोर सिचुएशन, सो ओके can be with the 3, right? अब 3 में देखिए कि ऑलमोस्ट आपका वही लेवल आपका आ जाएगा. Got it? जो आप हाथ सीधे से कर रहे थे. But here what we are advantage is we are getting it. Advantage is that we are not giving any pressure on the wrist. तो ये चीजें आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखनी है. ये ऐसा होता है कि because one time you are giving the practice, so you can find a different body type. आपको हर तरह की जो क्रिएटिविटी है यू शुड हैव विद यू, सो दैट यू कैन बी एट ए सेम टाइम यू कैन बी टेक योर ओन. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि यू हैव टू बी गिव टू ऑल ऑफ देम, नो, दिस इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू ऑल ऑफ देम, दैट विल बी डिपेंड अगेन ऑन द बॉडी टाइप. समवन दे आर नॉट रीच टू दैट लेवल, ओके, आप ये नहीं कर सकते, आप ऐसे कर लीजिए, एंड दैट विल ऑल डिपेंड लाइक व्हाट द टमी साइज इज, स्मॉलर, बिगर, हेवियर, वो दैट ऑल थिंग्स विल बी डिपेंड ऑन इट. And then we did the practice in the downward dog. We did one time, will be try downward dog usually like here, but downward dog have also its own precautions, guys. You have to be remember that. So everything I explained already yesterday about the gap, about the in between the arms, about the gap in between the legs. It's easy, your palm and your foot just try to be aligned. और इसी टेक्निक को, the same technique you can be also use in the cat. आप cat में भी यही यूज कीजिए. Last time I said as per the hip level, but better during even the cat and cow variations, आप उसमें भी यही टेक्निक आप यूज कीजिए, that will be much easier. वो और ठीक रहेगा थोड़ा सा आपके लिए भी, easy for you to measure and how to maintain the gap. That will be good. Okay, so this is the way, palm and the knee, and when you come in the downward, then palm and the foot will be the align. We already talked yesterday कि if some cases students are not able to press the heel, because when they will press the heel, so it will be push more on the hamstring, और थोड़ा सा belly पर भी इसका compression आ सकता है. So better you can be give them practice with the block like here, because जैसे ही the time you will, some student maybe they do not have that flexibility in that hamstring, so जैसे जैसे वो belly heel को push करेंगे नीचे, so of course that stretch will become on the hamstring, and if you are lengthened spine, so might be cases can be वो थोड़ा सा belly को compress भी कर सकता है. So for take care for this thing, so you can be have some technique with a block. और इस केस में भी हो सकता है कि sometimes body is very heavy and some situations give me a few seconds. So we were talking about the block, and yes, sometimes the body becomes so heavy and they are not even control the body weight in the arms and the shoulder. So the technique we did, like with the dropping elbow, this posture we usually call the dolphin pose. So ये practice भी आप दे सकते हैं. And this position usually we use in the beginning. We did sometime need to change the baby position. उस केस में भी हम डॉल्फिन पोज को यूज करते हैं. दैट वी डिड इन द बिगिनिंग की वी टुक द वन सोफा एंड वन टेबल एंड देन प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन कैन डू. In the beginning, I think we did already. Sometimes the position of the baby need to be changed. उस केस में भी इसको यूज करते हैं. और remember, this practice you can't give a long time. Whatever the practice you are giving, especially some kind of the inversions poses, तो ज्यादा लंबे समय तक वो प्रैक्टिस नहीं देना आपको. Maximum 3 breath, 4 breath means in between 5 seconds, 6 seconds. इससे ज्यादा नहीं देना है. Need to be remember that. Okay, now today I'll be cover the child posture. Child pose means the Bala Asana. This posture we usually use as for the relaxing purpose. But when we will do the child pose in the prenatal routine, थोड़ा सा इसका हम concept change करेंगे. Actually, even we are doing the normal routine. So child pose we are doing with the so many ways. One, we are doing the routine. Your knee and feet together. Then you are coming in the child pose. You can be open the knee little bit. Then you can become on the child pose. Some routine we थोड़ा सा और change कर देते हैं. Sometimes we change little bit. Open the feet little bit. Hip in between the feet. And then we are doing the child pose. So थोड़ा sometimes we changing the modification. But you see, whenever you are changing modification, each modification also, the effect of the posture is also changed. Example, abhi I will take you, I need to be jump on the normal routine so that you can be differentiate easily. ताकि आप उसको differentiate कर पाए. Normal practice में हम child posture देते हैं. Example, knee feet together. So this is the one, the relaxing. But sometimes when you are having a lot of practice, especially on your lower body, अभी आप पावर योगा की क्लास कर रहे हैं. Some students they are doing the power yoga class. So usually I am giving the relaxation in the child pose. Open the knee. So this is giving a bit more stretch on the hip. So when you are opening the knee, when you are doing it, you can do that with the normal routine. Knee together. When you will try it, your belly will be little bit compressed. आपका belly वहां पर compress होगा थोड़ा सा. When you open the knee, when you are doing it, so then your hip joint will be affect in that. Or when you are open the feet, hip in between feet, so your hamstring, your hip joint, all will be involved in that. So एक ही चीज को हमने different तरीके से modify किया, and each and every modification will give the different impact in your body. तो change हो जाता है. So same way, when we are giving the child pose, we are combining with the prenatal routine. क्योंकि समटाइम्स हैपन कि आप कंटिन्यूस कोई प्रैक्टिस दे रहे हैं, यू आर गिविंग द प्रैक्टिस इन द कैट एंड काउ प्रैक्टिस आप दे रहे हैं, उनको करते जा रहे हैं, बट यू हैव आल्सो नीड टू बी गिव देम द रिलैक्स कैन बी गिव in the Vajrasana, relax can be give in the Virasana, but Virasana might be all women they are not easy to do it. उसके भी कुछ अलग. I'll take you later on this pose. So child posture can be the one of the very easy posture for them. लेकिन उसको करेंगे कैसे? The same way, open the knee. Why open the knee? Prenatal routine, always open the knee, never with the knee together, because knee together, so belly can be compressed because of touch with the thigh. Got it? So give the practice with the open knee, and then give the practice like here. Arms can be straight and head can be here, so that will be also depend when the belly size a bit smaller, especially somewhere like आप देख सकते हैं कि 4-5 months के आसपास, 4-5-6 month के आसपास, that belly is not on that size, it's not that bigger, so उस case में can be practice like here. But it will be also depend, maybe someone they have even the 5 or 6 months they have a big belly, the size is bigger, so that will be totally depend. So उस case में you can be given the practice like here. Head can be here, even the one or even with the two. But when they're using the hand, so in this time they also need to be use the strength from their arms. अब इसी को might be they are not feeling that comfortable, अब इसी को हम change कर सकते हैं, we can be change even. अब उसको change हम कैसे करेंगे? They can be hold elbow, they can be practice like here. और इसी को दोबारा फिर ब्लॉक के साथ करना है, ओके ब्लॉक ले लीजिए, and then can be give the practice like here. So ये तो हो गया आपका ब्लॉक के साथ में. Some cases might be student they do not have the block, so let them the practice with the pillow के साथ. One pillow maybe they need, two pillow maybe they can be need, so something like that. So the practice can be also given with the block. अब now the situation can be changed. देखिए situation body change it means situation change. जैसे जैसे बॉडी के अंदर चेंजेस आएंगे, द टाइम द बॉडी विल चेंज. बॉडी चेंज मीन्स वी ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टैंड कि फर्स्ट trimester, second trimester, third trimester, what are the changes are coming. That's why we learn in the beginning. Changes can be size, swelling in the body, can be joint pain, can be backache. There are so many changes are coming when the time is going. So in some cases might be they are not able, so even you can be give the practice like that. जैसे कि not the pillow, sorry not the block, can be give the practice with the pillow like that. So it will be give the more comfortable to especially them. And the same उनको pillow आप दे सकते हैं, 1 pillow, 2 pillow. There are nowadays cushions, yoga cushions are very famous in the market. Like yoga के जो props आते हैं, there are so many yoga props as nowadays in the market, like the blocks, wheel, the yoga mat, the strap and the cushion. थोड़े gold type के होते हैं. There is something like the pillow, but वो gold type के होते हैं थोड़े से. And in that also have so many varieties and so many different type of the cushions. Small size भी आते हैं, medium size भी there, bigger size भी there. So if you are running your own professional studio, so you can be also take with that. और घर के अंदर you are giving the practice at home, तो घर के अंदर normal क्या होता है कि pillow easily सभी के घर में मिल जाते हैं. So can be use the pillow as well, and then can be give them the same practice like here. Easy, that's it. So child pose, why we are using the child pose? Child pose we are using just one part when you are giving one routine and when you need to give some relaxation. So and that time you can be use the child pose. तो एक बार आई एम गिविंग यू 2-3 मिनट, आप पिलो ले लीजिए और एक बार करके देख लीजिए. जस्ट एंजॉय योरसेल्फ, पिलो के साथ करके देखिए. One time without pillow, normal position, then try to use the block, then try to be bend your elbow and then take the pillow. Pillow hai if sometimes don't have pillow, so blanket ले सकते हैं. You can be fold the blanket and then can be used that. पूरी फीलिंग लेनी है आपको. यू हैव टू टेक दैट कंप्लीट फीलिंग. फीलिंग के साथ कीजिए. नॉर्मल रूटीन के साथ करेंगे. इफ यू प्रैक्टिस द नॉर्मल रूटीन यू विल फील नथिंग. वो पूरी फीलिंग के साथ जाना आपको. हाँ जी शुक्ला जी. और कितना बड़ा पिलो लिया इन्होंने, देखो. कीजिए कीजिए कीजिए. करते रहिए. मैं बोलता रहूंगा यहां से. सो चाइल्ड पोज, दिस पोज क्रिएट स्पेस इन द टोर्सो एंड बिटवीन द स्पाइन एंड द बेबी and potentially easing strain on the lower back, allowing for baby to turn more easily. This pose also stress the pelvic floor, creating space there as well. Abdominal muscle, this pose puts strain on the abdominal muscles if the belly is hanging too much. So those who have a large belly, so consider wearing a gentle blind or prop up the belly in child pose. Belly compression not. Actually here what I am learning, so they are mentioning so many time the gentle bind. वो मुझे एक सर्च करके आपको थोड़ा सा दिखाना पड़ेगा. Gentle bind, so there is some kind of gentle bind which usually women carry. Here I can be see that. I do not know about the India. मैंने वहां नहीं देखा अभी, but यहाँ पर some women they are using that. वो एक तरह का bind होता है कि they are just using here. तो ताकि वो belly वो पूरा hang ना हो जाए, उसको थोड़ा सा वो lift करके रखता है. It's not so tight, just it's a very gentle kind of the spot so that they can be support the belly there. If someone they know, someone they find, share in the group. मैं भी देखता हूँ अगर if I found it, so I will be share in the group. So many where some posture like in the child pose they are also mentioning, or even when we're doing the cat and cow practice we are doing it, or downward facing dog some kind of the practice we are doing it, because in that belly is hanging. If belly is hanging too much, so compression थोड़ा सा उसमें chances होते हैं. There are so many chances to put compression on the belly. So वो जो इस तरह का जो bind होता है that can be give the spot. वो spot दे सकते हैं उसके अंदर. So कुछ कपल की कुछ प्रैक्टिस होती है. There are some practices when we doing the couple. तो उस केस में even can be used. उसमें prop भी यूज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन that can be difficult when you are giving the classes to your student. तो उस टाइम पर वो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. You can be create some personal class, some one class, common class for them. But every time it can be difficult. तो उस केस के अंदर वो जो एक bind आता है something like spotting. So that can be useful, especially that when the practice is coming, especially in the third trimester, because that time the size of the belly is quite bigger. जैसे कि near by 8 months के आसपास, 7-8 months के आसपास when the size is bigger and belly is hanging much, तो उस केस में थोड़ा सा वो जरूरी हो जाता है. And so let's one time try that perinatal chaturanga. Everyone please do with me. मेरे साथ कर लीजिए आप सभी one time. It will take only 1-2 minutes. Open arms as per that the shoulder level, same come in the cat pose. So first just maintain your shoulder and your wrist align. उसको maintain कीजिए यहीं पर. Only the thing is you need to little lean your shoulder. Shoulder को lean कीजिए. Hip ऐसे बाहर मत निकालिए. उसको बिल्कुल normal routine में रखिए. That's it. Yes, shoulder थोड़ा सा lean कीजिए सामने and elbow facing front side. This is inside, this is front side. Because once you front side, that can be elbow bend. Then can be elbow bend and with the chest, like here only. So इसको भी हम step में divide करेंगे. Can be step 1, can be step 2, can be step 3, can be step 4, can be step 5, can be step 6. उसी तरीके से आपको लेके जाना है. So first few days practices you just only give them practice. Okay, only step 1 थोड़ा सा bend करके ही stay कीजिए, that's it, enough. 1 2 3 9 10, okay, relax. Repetition you can be give 1 time किया, 2 time किया, 3 time किया, but only at the one level. After some days you can be increase. Okay, now we'll go with the step 2. 1 हो गया, then come in the 2. 1 2 3 9 10, relax किया, again try 1 2 3 9 10, relax किया, again try 1 2 3 9 10, enough. And then after certain days then you can be increase more and more and more. अब इसी के अंदर इसी को थोड़ा सा हम चेंज करेंगे. मे बी someone they finding is a very big challenge, so उसके अंदर आप थोड़ा सा हाथ आगे ले जाएंगे, little arms a bit front side, थोड़ा सा लीन करेंगे सामने की तरफ. अब यहीं से then same thing, other thing will be remain same, elbow facing front side, and then just try to be bend elbow and then थोड़ा सा लीन करेंगे शोल्डर को. that's it, enough. यहां पर इस लेवल पर that's it, enough. So ये थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाएगा कंपेयर टू दिस प्रैक्टिस. So this will be a bit easier compared to this practice. So both practice you can be use that. तो आपके पास दोनों टेक्निक है, you can be use any one technique. अभी मैं आपको एक प्रैक्टिस I'll give you the one more practice, then we will be combined our all the practice in the one flow. So that practice is about असंचालन उसको आप बोल सकते हैं, हाई लंज उसको बोल सकते हैं. एक ही पोज को विल बी कंबाइंड ऑन दैट लेवल. So now the practice level is going a bit up more. So this practice, whatever the practice, first part practice we did, that is only for the first semester, in which only hands up and down, the shoulder, some joint movements practices, simple breathing practices, wrist practice, this is enough. After that we come on that, like we did some practice in the butterfly we did, and cat and cow practice, all the modification we are doing it, and the child pose, downward dog, that can be, you can be start in the second level. अब उसके बाद जो practice अभी जो मैं introduce करूंगा आपको, that practice you can be combined even the end of second and then the beginning of the third semester. तो इसका एक flow की हम practice करेंगे, but before flow there are some pose you already practice all, आप वो सारे practice कर चुके हैं normal routine के अंदर. You all already practice that all this in your routine practices, लेकिन हम यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा उसको combine करेंगे. So that practice is, first मैं आपको one by one उसमें मैं लेके चलता हूँ. First, this is you all know, जो सूर्य नमस्कार के अंदर जो पोजीशन आता है इसको असंचालन या एक इंग्लिश नेम आई फॉरगेट, होस और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो व्हेन यू पुटिंग द लेफ्ट लेग इन बिटवीन आर्म्स एंड राइट लेग बैक, ये जो पोजीशन आपका आएगा. बट यूजुअली इन द प्रेनेटल रूटीन यू हैव टू बी गिव देम द प्रैक्टिस विद अ ब्लॉक. क्योंकि व्हाई? बिकॉज इन दिस पोजीशन देयर आर सो मेनी चांसेस ऑफ belly compression, so better you give them the block. So no need to be feel shy to your student, even they practice with the one block routine, or even they need even the two block, that is totally fine. Riding horse pose, yeah, thank you so much, thank you Tripti. Yes, so even they can be use the टू ब्लॉक विद दैट, बिकॉज टू ब्लॉक से क्या होगा, दे विल बी गेट मोर हाइट और बैली पर वो कंप्रेशन नहीं पड़ेगा उस केस के अंदर. सो हेयर वी आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन द हिप स्ट्रेंथ, ऑन द लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ के ऊपर हम यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ज्यादा काम कर रहे हैं. वी आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन द लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ. सो इवन द पाम और इवन विद द फिंगर टिप लाइक दिस वन. अब इसी के बाद व्हेन द लेवल इज इंप्रूविंग, beginning level let them practice only here 1 2 3 4 5 9 10 few days. When the level is improving, and another thing you already knows, the position always maintaining the same thing as a normal routine, knee ankle align, और पीछे का जो leg है that will be also depend on particular student type, कि अगर someone they do not have that flexibility, so the gap can be closer. someone have enough flexibility, so the gap can be little bigger, लेकिन bigger also have to be maintaining the hip. ये भी नहीं कि बिल्कुल ही ये चला जाए आपका, no, that can be risky, so that can be just a little bit standard like here, this can be. So this is the practice one. उसी को दीजिए कुछ रूटीन के अंदर. When you design the class, designing one routine class, you only include this practice. When you designing your another class, so another class you can design the practice with the hands on the knee routine. When you designing your third routine, third class you are designing, in then you can be let them give the hands up, even hands apart from each other, or even with the palm together, or even with the finger lock. And you already knows the impact, effect क्या होता है, open arms, palm together, or the finger lock. Effect भी change होता है ना आपका when you are keeping the palm together apart from each other, or finger lock. Each and every modification also have a effect will be changed. So arms can be open, can be finger lock, can be palm together. Even this is a very, very simple pose for us in the normal routine, but for the prenatal routine, it can be a little big challenge for them, especially if any woman, any student, they never ever practiced the yoga before. तो इससे पहले का जो हमने प्रैक्टिस किया, that practice will help them to prepare to reach on this practice, to reach on this level. क्योंकि अभी हम सेकंड लेवल पर चल रहे हैं, अभी ऑलमोस्ट सेकंड लेवल. इसके बाद when they will improve there, then we will take them the third level. Third level पर then will be introduced the warrior 1, then the warrior 2. We cannot take them, we cannot take any student directly on this level. So that's why we are making the step. First practice ये हुआ, then the second routine ये हुआ, then third routine आपका ये हुआ, then fourth routine ये हुआ, then step by step they will have that improvement. और आपके पास भी this is also a good thing that you will have so many things in your head, ताकि आप अपने हर स्टूडेंट को अच्छे तरीके से और एक डिफरेंट तरीके से आप उनको वो चीजें दे सकें. Okay, so this is with a 2, or even if some cases they need 3 block, that is also okay. There is no rule, there is nothing fixed कि 2 से ही करना है या 1 से ही करना है और 3 से ही करना है. There is no fix anything. Even 1, even 2, even 3, even 4, or even without, everything is okay, depends on particular body type. Got it? So आपका this one the one practice, this one the one practice, second, and this one the third practice. Third practice can be another variations apart from each other, finger lock or the palm together. Got it? ये हो गया आपका. और इसके बाद so this practice will be remain same from the both side. This practice will be remain from the both side. अभी I will be change. जो भी हमने किया प्रैक्टिस को मैं सभी चीजों को मैं कंबाइन करूंगा अभी. Some things we already practice, because this practice will also involve your downward dog. This practice will also involve your child pose. So वो हम कर चुके हैं. So I will not talk about it and I will not explain again there. So जो इसमें करना है I will be explain only that. So practice we finish here. And after you have to keep your leg just the front side. So when the leg front side, थोड़ा सा leg bend रखिए, and this is still good to use the block. Got it? Leg little bend and then hands on the knee, and then यहीं से धीरे से you have to be can be practice here, or can be with the leg straight can be practice here. So both practice you can be give. Again, that will be depend on the different body type. If the belly is hanging too much, so you can let them practice little with the bending leg. आप ऐसे रूटीन में चलिए, bending leg and then leg straight and then your both hands up and then just relax. तो अभी now I will show you, because almost we did already. So now I will show you that routine कि how you will design that routine, उसको आप step by step कैसे लेके जाएंगे. So we can be, you can be give the name like prenatal yoga flow, prenatal yoga flow A, B, C. आप इससे भी ज्यादा you can create your own flow, you can be create up to Z. I don't mind, आप कितने भी create कर लीजिए. I will give you the sum. So the practice is, can be, practice will be, can be with the palm together and hands up, simple. No need to give very hyper any back bending, just a little curve. That's it. And then slowly you have to be come back and hands on the knee first. Hands on the knee first. And after that, hands on the block. And they can little bend your legs. Got it? एक बार देख लीजिए, then I'll give you that practice, we will do together. अब यहीं से put your right leg back and then drop the right knee. Each and every step you have to be let them stay. No need to give them the long stay. ज्यादा लंबा रुकने का जरूरत नहीं है in the beginning के अंदर. मैं आपको इसका I'll give you the screenshot. मैं इसका आपको पूरे का पूरा जो ना जो मेरे पास है इसका I'll give you the screenshot. वो easy हो जाएगा आपके लिए. Then let them stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I have, but I am adding more actually. मैं इसमें मेरी तरफ से कुछ और, वो मेरी आदत है थोड़ी सी, मैं अपना भी मसाला थोड़ा सा ना बीच में डाल देता हूं. So we can be add more. You can be put hands here and then can be hands here. Got it? And then again come back, relax, and then leg back. So after this routine, you can give them the practice in the child pose. So child pose we already learn, can we give them the child pose, or even they have the block routine. Now I no need to explain what kind of the practice, what are the modifications, variations they can be used in child pose. Okay, and after child pose again they can become from the cat, they can become in the downward dog from here, and from downward again come in the cat pose, and now from the another side like your right leg side block के साथ. So वही routine आपका आ जाएगा 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then relax with the support of the block, and then they just come front with the block. 1 2 3 4 5 6, then little bend the legs, hands on the knee. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then slowly their hands up. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then relax. इसमें जो है किया a little bit can be up and down. It's not necessary. I will give you the some technique, I will give you the some flow. लेकिन आप उस, if you want to be put little things up and down, you want to be edit a bit, so you can be edit. But whatever you edit, that things should be relevant to that practice. इस चीज का आपको ध्यान रखना है. ये नहीं कि we are giving the downward dog लेकिन आप उसमें कर रहे हैं क्योंकि okay one leg up downward dog, ये नहीं लेके जाना उसके अंदर. उसको हम धीरे धीरे फिर लेके जाएंगे. ये रूटीन भी नहीं डालना उसके अंदर. That thing can be relative with that. Okay, downward dog. Okay, downward dog. Some students they are not able. Okay, you can be try drop elbow. तो इस तरह का दे सकते हैं. और few things also you need to be remember. Practices like in the half lunge practice. This practice maybe you can let your student hold for 6 count, maybe 7 count, maybe 10 count, depend on their strength. But something you cannot give them for a long time. Example, one downward dog is coming during this flow. So ये नहीं कि आपने high lunge तो दे दिया 10 second का, downward dog you are also giving the 10, no, because that is inversion. तो उसमें थोड़ा सा आप कम कर दीजिए. So normal routine में तो usually हम लेके चलते हैं. Normal routine we are doing okay, each and every pose will be hold 5 second, every pose need to be go with the 5 6 5 6. We have to maintain that equality. But here थिंग्स कैन बी चेंज एज पर द बॉडी टाइप, वो थोड़ा उसमें चेंज हो सकता है उसके अंदर. सो वन टाइम एवरीवन डू विथ मी, एक बार आप मेरे साथ कर लीजिए, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल गिव यू द सम टाइम, आप फिर अपने आप से भी करके देखिएगा. सो एक बार सभी खड़े हो जाइए. एवरीवन प्लीज स्टैंड अप एंड ब्लॉक रखिए अपने पास में. एवरीवन प्लीज कीप द एटलीस्ट 2 to 4 ब्लॉक्स रख लीजिए अपने पास में. अगर नहीं है सो यू कैन बी यूज इवन द 1 ब्लॉक इन द स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन. If someone they do not have the block, so you can put some kind of the water bottle. Just you have that feeling कि you are using the block. आगे सभी. Everyone please stand up. So your feet a little apart from each other, थोड़े से उनमें गैप आपका होना चाहिए. Inhale, both hands up, palm together. Exhale, bend down. You can put hands on the knee. Actually, I have the one presentation. In that presentation, they are also mentioning the open arms. But open arms mat dijiye. Hands on the knee, that is fine. After some routine, you can be include. Beginning में सिर्फ hands on the knee, that is okay. And then after, use the block, hands on the block. And यहीं से थोड़ा सा leg bend कीजिए, just bend the leg. Take the support and then right leg back. And drop the right knee, just here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. अब इसी को फिर हम चेंज करते हैं. हैंड्स ऑन द नी. 1 2 3 4 5 6. अब इसी को फिर हम चेंज करेंगे मॉडिफिकेशन के साथ. हैंड्स अप. 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड देन रिलैक्स. अब यहीं से वापस आ जाएंगे. कम बैक, कम बैक, कम बैक, एंड देन यूर लेग बैक in the cat pose, and from cat pose you have to give the practice in the child pose slowly. आप feeling के साथ जाइए सारी practice के अंदर. You have to become in all practice with that feeling. So the modification, the child pose you all knows. 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. अब यहीं से again come back in the cat pose and then come in the downward dog. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and again come back in the cat pose. Actually I will take you back again the same routine. Now right leg here. We can also from downward to also right leg can be the one technique, but this technique can be challenging for some women, especially when the weight is become very heavy. When the belly size become very heavy, वो बहुत ज्यादा चैलेंज हो जाएगा उनके लिए. तो उसको आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, तोड़ सकते हैं इस प्रैक्टिस को. 1 we did directly and the second cat pose, and from cat pose they can become so way that will be a bit easier for them. वो easy हो जाएगा. प्रैक्टिस दोनों तरीकों से ठीक है. From downward to come, that we usually use in the normal routine practice. But in the prenatal routine, you can be divide this practice from downward to cat pose and then try to become. Same. Stay first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then hands on the knee. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hands up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then just relax. अभी देखिए कि आप थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज मत हो जाइएगा. प्लीज डू नॉट बी गेट कंफ्यूज. माई रूटीन आई एम पुटिंग ऑल प्रैक्टिस इन वन टाइम. व्हेन यू क्रिएट योर रूटीन, सो दिस इज टोटली अप टू यू. आप ये कर सकते हैं कि 1 राउंड यू कैन बी हैंड्स हियर, 2nd राउंड हैंड्स कैन बी हियर, 3rd राउंड हैंड कैन बी हियर. You can make like this. After a few days when you are giving the same routine, उसके आप वन टाइम अब तीनों रूटीन करवा दीजिए. Even you can be do the all three routine at the same time in a one flow like we did. So ये डिपेंड करेगा आपके रूटीन के ऊपर, हाउ यू आर डिजाइनिंग योर ओन रूटीन. बिकॉज मुझे कई बार लगता है कि वट एवर आई एम टीचिंग यू एग्जैक्ट वही ना आप डाल दें अपनी प्रैक्टिस अपनी टीचिंग के अंदर. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द टेक्निक एंड यू हैव टू बी डिजाइन योर ओन वे. एक रूटीन को डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरीके से डिजाइन करना आपको. यू हैव टू बी डिजाइन योर ओन रूटीन विद अ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वे. Got it? And now when we finish, so same, leg here first, open the legs, hands on the block. You can little bend the legs, hands on the knee, and then slowly then your hands up, palm together. Inhale and exhale, then relax. तो ये आपका प्रैक्टिस बनेगा. सो वन टाइम आप एक बार अपने तरीके से एक बार और इस रूटीन को करके देखिए. Then I'll give you the whole this sequence and I will also give you in the written कैसे कैसे क्या करना है. करो एक बार, फीलिंग लेके करो थोड़ी सी. दिव्या, ये आप करके देख सकते हो वैसे थोड़ा सा. इफ यू आर फीलिंग किया आपने, ठीक है वन टाइम इज ओके. आप हमें बताया भी करो जैसे कि यू आर डूइंग वन रूटीन की हाउ यू आर feeling tired or not, you are feeling exhausted or not, feeling dizzy or not, whatever the symptoms is you are feeling during the practice, ताकि हमें भी थोड़ा सा और ज्ञान मिल जाएगा आपके बहाने. सारे ना पूरी फीलिंग के साथ कर रहे हैं. देखो सीमा पाटिल, प्लान किया कुछ? कहते सर अब क्या प्लान करोगे? कीजिए जस्ट वन राउंड ओनली, वन राउंड देन जस्ट कम बैक सिट. रंजन, कुछ फीलिंग आ रही है नहीं आ रही है? Last time I forget to send you the pictures. I'll send you today then. आ जाइए प्लीज, आ जाइए. It's done for today. अरे Vivo 1818, वर्षा बैठ जाओ. पता नहीं क्या ऐसे आंखें निकाल के देख रही है स्क्रीन के अंदर. Okay guys, so this is done for today. अभी इसके बाद हम चलेंगे. Let me see. Yeah, after this practice I will next time you have to be practice and please I'm saying every time you please also make your own video. आप उसके ऊपर काम कीजिए वरना मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा आप काम कर भी रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे. आफ्टर दैट आई विल गिव यू द वन मोर रूटीन. इसी फ्लो को हम थोड़ा सा चेंज करेंगे. अभी दैट फ्लो वी टुक लाइक ऑन द रूटीन 1 और वी कैन बी से प्रीनेटल योगा फ्लो A. सो नेक्स्ट रूटीन आई विल गिव द प्रीनेटल योगा फ्लो B. तो के अंदर ऑलमोस्ट रूटीन विल बी रिमेन सेम. बीच में थोड़ा सा हम उसको मॉडिफाई करेंगे, वो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा सभी के लिए. यस तो मैं इसका अब तक है ना आपको मैं अभी ये रूटीन में आपको मैं अभी से सेंड कर देता हूँ. ठीक है सर, कंफ्यूज अबाउट लेग कैन। एक मिनट दिव्या, दिव्या हाँ जी दिव्या, आवाज नहीं आई आपकी। नो वी कैंट हियर। Anyone can hear her? Anyone can hear to Divya? Can? No, you are unmute already. Let me try this. दोबारा कर रहा हूँ। You are unmute, but we can't listen you. आप कितना जोर से चिल्लाइए, आप आपकी आवाज हमारे तक नहीं आ रही। Funny, you just downward dog to compare. It's hard downward dog to compare dolphin. Dolphin pose, you feeling hard or you are feeling downward dog hard? Swati, it's difficult to keep leg in between hands. Which portion you are talking about, Divya? करके बताएंगे आप? Please show me. Which can it can be adjustable. I got your point. Okay. And usually even आप normal routine में भी करके ना sun salutation, तो उसके अंदर भी ऐसा ही होता है. That is like she is saying that leg put in between both arms can be little harder. So leg can be little to the this side, right? You are saying like this. It's okay, not a problem. It can be. When you're keeping the leg here, so means your thigh muscle will be engaged more when keeping a bit inside. But as a normal level, you can give the spot the arm. That is totally fine. In the normal routine, also we teach to our students. Maybe ये teach करते कि okay finger level because we are maintaining in between. So उनको उस level पर on that level they have to be engaged their inner thigh. So if not initially they can keep the spot. That is fine. That is okay, no problem. And Swati, it's hard downward dog to compare dolphin. Swati, downward dog मुश्किल है, dolphin pose मुश्किल है. Dolphin pose करते क्यों है? पहले तो ये बताइए. Why we are doing the dolphin pose? Dolphin pose usually we are giving when someone is having the problem, especially in the wrist. आप उसको modify कर दीजिए. The same modification when I give in the cat, हम अपने टेक्निक निकाल लेंगे, हम अपना मसाला डाल देंगे उसके अंदर. आप उसको प्रो के साथ ले आइए. एग्जाम्पल, everything depends on the different body type. Something saying that downward dog easier than the dolphin. Right? She want to be saying. Firstly, we need to understand why we are giving the practice the downward dog. One reason when we in the beginning we talk about when we need to change the body, sorry, the baby position. उसके लिए है certain situation about the wrist pain, especially. So even when you're broken the elbow, every practice is not for everyone, especially pregnancy during 8 or the 9 months. You can use the dolphin because that can be that and both is very happy. So difficult because alcohol training can be controlled and that can be either combination or overlap. तो आप इससे वो भी प्रैक्टिस आप कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक सो ये थोड़ी सी कामयाब लाइक ग्रोथ है और द ग्रोथ कैन बी यूज्ड आई थिंक सो और still you are finding that students they are feeling difficult even in the download or even in the golden post. Both posts are finding difficulty still there. छोड़ देंगे उसको सारी चीजें fix नहीं there is nothing fixed especially in this situation normal नहीं करना पड़ेगा अभी give you something from that but we talk about the yoga that we have to listen to ourselves तो कोई चीजें बेहोश नहीं चाहिए some people student finding difficulty so much body weight coming on the arm shoulder belly is bending too much so they are feeling so much compression what is this it's not necessary तो depend करेगा उस केस पे that is students finding difficulty finding very challenging initiating or compression or so much belly is sinking so much actually downward facing dog is giving a bit create space more but लेकिन compression भी हो सकता है I agree तस्नीम जी हमें क्या पता प्रेग्नेंट है या नहीं है sis शर्मा गया आपको शर्म आ गया I am not pregnant but still I was keeping little silent because किसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप show me give me the demonstration then I will be understand leg एक मिनट अब बात करिए
Sir, in Ashwa Sanchalan, she was telling na that leg पास में रहने से उन्हें दिक्कत आ रही थी तो I was feeling that दिक्कत तो आएगी so side में ही रखकर that pose I was doing that.
Oh, okay. You are saying the same thing. Okay, so it's okay. So it's totally fine. During routine, there is nothing because even when you are, I'm giving you some practice for the hip. So you can see some practices. I'm giving you the leg up, out of the left palm. I'm giving some practices. I'm giving inside. Why should you be taking part of the whole? So if I am staying, but it's okay. That is fine. You can be managing even here or even here. Even you can be give the squat with the leg with your elbow. That is okay. It's totally fine. Agree. Okay, guys. And one thing more, please थोड़ा सा चिल्लाइएगा मत नाराज मत होइएगा मेरे ऊपर from next week morning जो अपनी क्लास है from 8:15 just for 1 week more please I need to be shift to 7:45 just for one more just only one more week I need to be travel again after finish our power vinyasa class I need to be travel to the same city because some teacher got problem there and they invite me so I need to be replaced as that teacher I need to be like give them the more maybe 6-7 days so my class will be start there about 10:30 in the Vietnam time so I need to be finish the class like before 10:30 so that's why I need to be start 7:45 Indian time so 7:45 in Vietnam will be 9 o'clock I think yes 9 to 10:15 I will be finished with you and then 10:30 I need to be start there is no change on the evening class only that जो अपना alignment का जो class चल रहा है एंड जो एक एडवांस क्लास का जो बैच है दैट्स ओनली मंडे टू फ्राइडे.
Sir, am I audible now?
अरे ये कहाँ से बीच में टपक पड़ी है, अब इसकी आवाज आ गई थी. हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए.
सर जैसे आप बता रहे थे कि फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में एक्सरसाइजेस नहीं करनी चाहिए मतलब ज्यादा, तो ये सबके लिए है या जो कर सकता है वो? बिकॉज मैंने तो पूरा योगा किया है पूरे ट्राइमेस्टर, तो मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं हुई, तो और भी होंगे ऐसे जिनको नहीं होगी?
Actually, we saw a lot of cases, especially if any woman is pregnant and conceived a baby first time. So in that situation, it is a quite little risky and sensitive. This is your first or this is your 3, 4, 5, 6?
Yes, sir.
This is your
Yeah, no,
first.
sir, first.
This is your first. You are so strong. I'm not.
Actually, sir, I was taking Jess sir class on that time, and I didn't know that I had conceived, so I was practicing with him.
That is so nice of you. भगवान ना करे कि ऐसा कुछ हो. But being a teacher, is even I want to give this advice to you all, because this is a little risky and sensitive time.
Yes.
And if something happened with some case, so the blame directly can come on the teacher. तो इसमें थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखने की जरूरत होती है, especially the first 3 months, first trimester.
Okay.
So that's why I'm saying कि okay, you can give the practice, and that practice just only some body movement, some joint movement, simple neck, and then simple that we did in the beginning always.
Okay, sir.
अब इसमें रैपिडली कोई भी मूवमेंट होगा, कार्डियो का कोई भी मूवमेंट, द कार्डियो मूवमेंट, द रैपिड मूवमेंट, द रैपिड ब्रीथिंग मूवमेंट, डिटॉक्स प्रैक्टिस जो हम करते हैं, कुंजन एंड संप्रसारण, दिस ऑल प्रैक्टिस हैव टू बी अवॉइडेड. नहीं कर सकते, दैट कैन बी रिस्की.
ओके सर. मीन सर, बट कुछ लोग बहुत पीछे पड़ जाते हैं कि हम कर सकते हैं, तो बट हम अपनी तरफ से उन्हें बोले कि नहीं, आप मतलब नहीं करवा सकते.
You don't say that. This is depend on the teacher, how you will be educated and how you will be motivated to student. You just tell them the first 3 months you need to be we give you this kind of the practice, and this practice will prepare you for your another second semester.
Okay.
होते हैं कई स्टूडेंट क्रेजी होते हैं आपकी तरह, तो वो परवाह नहीं करते.
नहीं सर, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था, and I was doing.
They just go ahead. This is very nice. You are totally fit and fine. आप बिल्कुल अच्छे हैं और सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. But some situations and some risk always there.
सर, अगर जो लोग लाइक चाइल्डहुड से योगा प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली फीमेल्स, तो वो भी नहीं कर सकते, उनके लिए भी इशू है या?
That is totally dependent. ये मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही बोला था कि that is totally depends on different body type and also depend on the psychology. तो उसको मैं इस चीज को मैं बांध नहीं सकता किसी चीज के साथ में. That is totally different. Okay. But as my suggestion, I never take the risk for the, especially for the first 3 months. If someone come to me and they really want to practice, so मैं उनको बस यही practice दूंगा, उनको मैं 30-40 minutes, that is enough routine for them.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
My friend, yes. Tomoko is in the 2.5 months now. She is going to be finished at 3 months. Huh? Yes, Tomoko. Let everyone see your face. अभी देख लीजिए वो 3 महीने में कैसे नजर आ रहे हैं. दिव्या, you are about 6 or 5? 5. कहाँ गई तुमको? चीज है तुमको अनम्यूट.
I'm in 2 months.
Yeah, Tomoko is from Japan. आप देख लीजिए, she look like a Japanese doll. No? She is from Japan and she is living and working in Mexico for the last, I think, 8-9 years. Yes.
Yeah.
So you share your experience with us, how you are feeling this time.
This time, I have a lot of vomiting.
Okay.
Yeah. These days I have a lot of vomiting. It's very hard time for me.
Okay.
Like maybe 2 times, 3 times in a day. Once I eat and I vomit. I have
You have the
vomiting.
feeling of throwing
So,
out, right?
yeah, yes, so, but
Okay.
I'm happy, but that time, that part, it's very hard for me.
Good. It will be changed. It will be changed. These are just the symptoms. Take care of yourself. Okay, guys. So thank you so much. And some students, let's meet in the next batch. आज खिंचाई करूंगा सभी की पावर योगा के अंदर. कल तो बच गए थे आप. आओ अभी दोबारा से. So and the prenatal yoga batch, I'll see you next week. And take care. And please whatever we did until now, देखिए मे बी यू आर थिंकिंग कि बहुत सारी चीजें हम बार बार कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उस रूटीन को समझने की कोशिश कीजिएगा. एवरी टाइम आई एम एडिंग एंड आई एम पुटिंग समथिंग न्यू इन दैट. और उस रूटीन को, दैट सेम रूटीन यू ट्राई टू बी डिजाइन, ट्राई टू वर्क फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरीके से डिजाइन कर लीजिए. आपके पास है ना एक पूरा मटेरियल तैयार हो जाएगा आपकी टीचिंग के लिए. Okay. Thank you. Namaste. Have a beautiful Sunday to all of you. Hari Om. Om Shanti. Namaste.